Good morning, welcome to Lanzarote. I'm just watching this ship come in. I've forgotten the name of it, but we watched it. We've seen it in a couple of other parts. So it's a lovely morning. Very nice morning here. Oh, look at that, we've disappeared. We've gone off to the other side of the island. What do they call this place, Cath? Playa Blanca. We've got a bus ride across. The weather tends to be different. Like a lot of these islands, you get not quiet parts, you get dull parts, windy parts, very sunny parts, and this is one of the sunnier parts. So this is Playa Blanca. It's a bit boom boom booming down here. We've got something going on the beach. It's probably some kind of swimming competition, but we'll find out later. If you can only hear my voice now, it's because YouTube have muted the music, and they do give you an option of trying to mute it and leave the vocal in. So if you can still hear me, we're rocking. Right, we're going along right the way along here. We're going to find somewhere to eat in a while. So I'll just leave you with some views for a few minutes. I think we're going to do some filming on the sea day tomorrow, so we'll film here today, then the sea day tomorrow. Anyway, thanks to all the returning subscribers and any new subscribers. It's nice to have you along. I hope we're not boring you too much. If you aren't a subscriber, you can just click on the doodad and press the bell, click the bell, and that way you'll find out when we've got a new video coming out. It doesn't cost anything, and it'll definitely help us along. Thank you very much. Enjoy the little walk. Well, it's nice to see the volunteer litter pickers. I think the volunteers, I'm not sure. I thought they'd be using pickup sticks though, not the bare hands, but at least they're doing it. Of course you can.
When they're wet, they'll be lethal.
Right. Oh, it's recording. Okay then. Nice.
But all the pot more.
Do you think?
Yeah. All of the pot.
Because there's more stuff.
It's small, it's bigger, and
Yeah.
so you're not as crowded.
Yeah.
Ça existe des balances de ça existe.
None of them down there.
We go around this corner, Kath, if there's another bay, if we go around this corner, if there's another bay around here, then we'll have, if there's some more bars on this side that we've been shared.
Right.
Oh, it's straight along. It's straight along. I'll just have to get some with, yesterday we were in Gran Canaria, we had some nice Canarian potatoes, but these are a lot better. Look at these.
You'll finish this then?
And tons of mojo.
I think they'll finish them all.
And Kath's got cheese on toast, which is better than yesterday as well, isn't it? Garlic and cheese and
Yeah, so that.
yeah. There we go, bon appetit. That's the end result after a few minutes. What do we call this place? No, it's called smoothies. What is it on that one? Oh no, it says cocktails, doesn't it? Anyway, look at this, we've got a nice seat.
Those Canarian potatoes were better than yesterday.
Definitely better than yesterday's.
Gran Canaria.
Yeah. Tons of mojo, salsa. And nice, you say I can just do this, can't I?
Yeah.
And we're going to view the sea over there.
Coming a bit cloudy now. Still warm.
So nice though, isn't it? Yeah. That was it for Lanzarote. We're on the way back now on the coach, and you'll see some little views of the thousands of volcanoes on these islands around here. Volcanic ash everywhere, lava flows, and it's all being cultivated slowly but surely in certain parts. Even bananas are being cultivated. Right, we're back on the boat. I'll just give you some little looks around here. I'm not going to video as we leave the port because it's pretty dull today, so I'm not going to video this evening. But now you can pick us up in a couple of moments when we are at sea on the way to Cadiz, and hopefully it'll be a little bit sunnier when we get up tomorrow morning. We'll soon find out. Good morning, welcome aboard the Britannia as we head towards Cadiz, away from the Canaries, on the way back up north now. We've got Cadiz, Lisbon, and then back to Southampton. It were really quite rough last night, so I've got up nice and early to video, and it's gone calm. But we'll have a little walk around anyway. It's a lovely morning, and it's quite warm. In fact, it's very warm still. You can see there's a bit of movement of the ship at the front. Hardly any really. See what swimming pool's doing. Oh, smells of fumes here as well. Mick Cath came up for breakfast about half an hour ago when it was still dark, and the pools were slopping and splashing all over the shop. And look at them now, they've gone calm again. I'll just go down that other side and have a look. For those of you who are technically minded, which is not that many of you probably, I'm using the Pocket 3 this morning. I was going to use the Action 4, but I couldn't get the microphone to link up to it. I'm using a separate mic, a little wireless mic 2 on this morning. There are a couple of these here as well if you fancy one of these. Little jacuzzi. And there's one over that side as well. There's a spa area up the front, which we haven't used. That's because it's chargeable, and it's not the sort of thing we'd do anywhere. So here we are. That's the back of the ship. Let's see what the pool's doing. Swishing about a little bit. Sounds like the waves lapping. Let's go upstairs. There's a little bit of rocking. Someone's come down for the swim already. See how it's going up and down at the back. Hardly any at all. You can see it's swelling that, can't you?
Yeah, you can.
Right, Cath. Oh, for fuck's sake. It's too, I can't see the screen at all. Right, now we can see. We're on the way up to Cadiz still.
Why?
What's the word?
No, you're not. Why have we swapped places?
Hey?
Why have we swapped the place?
To look out. You didn't have to do it, you could have just gone like this then. What do you want to stand there for? I didn't want my hand in way at the microphone.
Is it breezy here?
Right. Oh shit, I nearly fell on there. But whether it'll pick us up properly or not because of that, and I'll take that off, can't I? Right.
Oh.
Oh.
Right, good afternoon, everyone.
I don't know what you're looking at me for.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. We're making our way now to Cadiz. So we're on board all day today, and then we hit Cadiz tomorrow, and then the day after that it's Lisbon, and then we've got another 2 sea days to get back to Southampton. And as you can see, the weather's glorious today. No, I don't know. I can't say anything of anything else to say.
Cath's not saying a word. We're on our way back now.
I know, I've told him in a different one.
I know, but I might use this one instead because it might be nicer. Which one did you tell him in?
This morning, I told him that we're on our way to Cadiz.
Right, so you know we're on our way to Cadiz.
then we're going to Lisbon
Then
the
Lisbon.
day after, and we've got 2 days at sea, and then we're getting back into Southampton.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, my dears.
Cheers.
We're not sure what we're going to do in Kiddies. I think we'll probably just end up walking around town or something, won't
Yeah,
we?
we didn't walk around town last time.
Didn't we?
No,
Like, we're chucking it down, wasn't it?
we went to a castle.
Oh, we'll go to that castle again.
No, I'm not going to a castle again.
Yeah, I
no.
remember the castle now. Kath cried like a baby because she had to
very
do some
steep.
exercise. It wasn't
It
steep.
was
Oh,
steep.
there were old people, there were like 90-year-old women
No, they weren't.
going up full blast. With,
No, they weren't.
there were.
No,
I saw one lady with a like a walking frame going
Yeah,
up,
right, yeah.
quicker than you,
Yeah.
quicker than me and all. Anyway,
So we're sat here having a drink. It's a formal night tonight. So
John
it's-
Smith's is that?
It's a
It's a
dressing
posh
up
night.
night. We've decided there's another one next week, and we've decided can't be bothered, so we're just going to go to a buffet. So we've just got a drink
Yeah,
from the bar. That's 2 floors, 2 decks down.
yeah. It's just down that way. That's probably not done it right very well. That.
Probably not.
Yeah, so it's just below. It's a nice place to chill out.
Yeah, then we'll go get something to eat later.
We'll go in the buffet part.
Yeah, we will.
You know what? People who know me know I never stop talking.
You can't think of what to talk about now, can
Well, I
you?
can think of plenty, but it might all be political and rubbish
You
and
can't
stuff.
you can't say stuff
Can't do
like that.
politics when you're on a cruise. Can't do politics or religion, can you?
No.
Anyway, when we go
I'll
down,
go back to Ripon and go back to work.
yeah, we'll also have a bit of news when we go to Spain this winter. Mind you, that's not really what to do with the cruise, is it?
No. Sort that out later on. So we're just enjoying this now.
Yeah. If you are following us, if you were on this cruise or you're you
I
like
don't think
cruising.
there's anybody on here following us on this
No,
cruise.
not on here. But I'm saying if you found us, oh, I don't know with that. If you found us because of the title, because of the cruise, then you might realise that you'd only be interested in the cruisy stuff. But our main interest in vlogging is retirement to Spain. But we can also answer questions about being wardens, campsite wardens in the UK, which we've done for
Oh, for how many years now?
12 years.
When
10,
did we
12
start
years,
doing it?
something like that.
2008.
2008,
No, it wasn't.
9,
I think it was
10.
2010. I think it was 10.
2010 or 11 we started
Yeah.
in France. We worked at a beautiful place in France. And then we worked as wardens down south in a lovely part of Bedfordshire. And after 6 years we moved up to Yorkshire, which I've mentioned in other videos, but people don't always watch the old videos, so I'll tell you again. So anyone who's interested in cruising, or anyone who's a warden, and I bet there's a few wardens on this cruise, you know.
Wouldn't be surprised.
But anyone who's interested in being wardens, if you've got any questions about warden work, you can drop a message in the comments and we'll try and answer them. But we work for a company in Yorkshire called Flower and May, and we've been there. We're just finishing off this third season, and that was it. We were finally finished and retired. But we're going back for another season, another summer season, all being well. We'll finish work. When do we finish? In about 3 or 4 weeks.
It's irrelevant to the video, so you need to stop it.
Yeah, it's not what to do with. Kath did a pros and cons of the cruise the other day. What did you put? Which one? It was on a previous video, wasn't it?
Already? I can't
You did some
remember.
pros and cons, yeah.
I can't remember.
So they'll see that before they see this, obviously.
I hope I've done some pros and cons. I think I have.
Yeah.
I think.
I've not got too many pros, but I must admit though, we're not your typical.
You haven't got too many pros?
Sorry, too many cons.
I say, why are you in my cruise
A
then?
minging toilet seat is my con.
Oh.
Look at this picture. I put a picture of the edge of the toilet seat, and I did complain about it. It's the only thing I've complained about. But if you look at this toilet seat, And I went down and complained because it stunk. We could really smell pee in the bathroom. And the manager came up, and then the young lad called us and said they've tried every kind of chemical, but they've ordered new seats, so they're waiting for a refurb.
It's not the new seat, the toilet bowl needs it as well.
No, the toilet bowl's alright, just the seat.
No, it's inside the toilet bowl, I thought you showed me.
No, it's inside the seat, inside the lid, the seat part.
Is it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. But, I mean, we work in hospitality, and none of our toilet seats are like that.
No.
And they get some hammer as well, but we try and keep them clean. And if they were like that, we'd dump them anyway, wouldn't we?
Yeah,
We'd have to buy some new ones.
We won't let them get like that.
Anyway, so that's the only con for me. But we're not your typical cruisers because we haven't.
It's all sorts going on.
Yeah, we haven't done
all sorts going on.
They've got creams days and smelly days and
diamond days,
watches days, yeah, jewellery days,
all selling days, and
yeah.
They've
got talks.
Shuffleboards.
Yeah, there's everything.
There's a bit of keep fit, and there's quizzes.
Have you heard how you're doing that? The quizzes, and there's.
But we're not bothered.
We are excited about being here. We might sound like.
We
sound like brummies. We sound like brummies.
We're not so bothered, are we?
No, I don't do a quiz, but you don't win a prize anyway for a quiz. You
just might win a bottle of wine.
No, you don't win out. You just put your hand up and they say, oh, they've got 30 odd. But you're scoring your own anyway. We've not been really around the pool areas much. We have, but I've not filmed it.
It's
because
too packed.
It's too packed. You look like a perv if you're filming around the pool area. Although it would be photogenic, wouldn't it? It looked good. But it were packed. So there's two pools in the middle, one at the back. The one at the back, there's no one in it now, and it's still warm enough. I could go in myself and have a dip. Couldn't I, Kath?
You could.
I'm not going to do. I might do it tomorrow though, because it seems like no one uses it. What do you think?
That's not a pool.
It is a pool.
It isn't. It's one of them sit down.
Yeah, but it's it don't bubble. Oh, it does. It's got seats.
Yeah. It's only small. You won't.
Hang on, let me just show you this.
Wouldn't be able to swim in that.
Can you? Have we got that on? I can't see if I've got it on. Let me have a look. I thought that was a little pool, but it's more like a jacuzzi thing. And it's got 2 seats, 2 benches. I might give that a bash tomorrow. It'd be a nice place to sit with it.
Yeah, you won't be because we'll be out all day.
Hey?
We're out all day.
Oh yeah, we're out all day in Cadiz. Anyway, spin here on again.
Oh, this is lovely.
Yeah, so this is nice.
Yeah.
Drinking John Smith's. And cheap lager, Kath. Well, it's not cheap lager.
Cheap, is it?
No. So we're just having this drink before we go down to eat.
Why are you hungry?
Oh no, this drink and another drink, I mean.
What was there?
I'll have this one, and then we'll have another one. And I don't think we'll have another one after that, will we? That'll be 3. That'll be 3 pints. 3 pints is plenty. So then, where are we now then? Timeline wise.
What time is it?
No, I don't mean time now, I mean timelines on videos.
7:15.
7:15. I didn't mean timeline there.
What do you mean?
I just meant on videos. Let me just stop that. Oh, it's a link button, isn't it? Can you hear Amber?
I can hear Amber.
Hang on. Join us next time when we are in Cadiz, Spain, on the way north back to the UK. Thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting and liking. Ciao for now.